Yung guys, Ed Sheeran napatagay sa laban ng Celtic kontra Pacers sa Game 2. Guys, ayan guys, nagsimula na. Jason Tatum guys, narigit pagbabalan sa ilalim. Awas guys. Ayan guys, nakuha ni Holiday sa pinasa kay Browns for 3. Bang bang yan guys. Siakam guys. Binubuli si Al Horford sa fade away jumper. Bang bang guys. White guys. Binababa yung bola, pinasa kay Jalen Brown, so malampak yan, guys. Tatum, guys, pull-up jumper. Patay, guys. Haliburton is step back jumper, bang, bang. Grabe. Dikit pa yung laban nito, guys, so pinasa na Haliburton sa kasama na, guys, sabay, twee, bang, bang. Tatum, may half ng bola, guys, pinasa kay Horford, attack baseline, duck in, guys. Haliburton guys, humingi na screen, pinasa pa din yung column for 2. Patay guys. Ayun guys, McCollum ulit guys, for wide open 3. Patay yan guys, sigurado. Pang! Grabe. Papalag yung Pacer guys. Tara na second unit guys, Richardson for 3. Patay guys. Grabe. Isa rin pong malakas na Haliburton ulit guys. Bound pass guys, tas binari kay Haliburton for fade away 2. Patay yan guys. JT na miniskate sa ilalim, pero supalpal yan guys kay Tapin guys. Holiday guys, nagbababa ng bola guys. Wasanaksak yan guys, sabay. Ganda ng pass niya sa kasama niya guys, so for easy 2 points. JT may hawak ng bola guys. Sabay pass kay Harry yan for wide open 3. Patay guys. Bang bang. White guys, pinasa kay Al Horford for easy dunk yan guys, Matic. Bro, may tanga ng bola guys, malaksak guys, sabay kick out sa labas. Kick out ulit, napunta kay White for 3 guys, bang bang. Holiday guys, haliyop pass kay Brown, nagwa kalis era guys, pat. Tatum guys, sumalaksak sa ring, sabay layup guys. Haliburton guys, nababa ng bola, sabay stop and pop sa 3, patay guys. Tatum guys, may hawak ng bola na turnover niya guys, nakuha ni Haliburton guys for pass break. Siakam guys, matakbo for easy dunk yan guys. Jalen Brown guys, mababa ng bola, sumalaksak guys. Grabe, easy 2 points ng Pacers, may hawak ng bola guys. Ayun guys, too much dribble guys, sabay na agaw guys, turnover yan guys. Tatum guys, may hawak ng bola, pinasa kay Holiday, pinasa ulit kay Jalen Brown for easy layup. Siakam guys, may hawak ng bola guys, sumalaksak guys, over Tatum. For layup guys, grabe Siakam ulit guys. For ano guys, so fade away jumper guys, patay na naman guys. Ang ganda ng laro na Siakam dito guys, promise. Ngayon pa isa pa guys, so Holiday ng pabantay guys. Turn around jumper ulit guys. Siakam ulit guys. Jalen Brown guys, santanan 24 points sa first half guys, grabe. Jalen Brown guys. For P2 line jumper guys, patay guys, walang foul guys, tapodan din ang laro nito guys, grabe, ang init na guys, ng Jalen Brown guys, pa guys, with no contact yan guys, pero wala pa rin foul guys, patay pa rin. Siakam guys, nabantay si Al Horford guys, pero walang kwenta yung defense ni Al Horford guys, pasok pa rin yung tira na Siakam ulit guys. Ganda ng fade away niya guys, ganda ng footwork niya guys, grabe. Galing ni Siakam dito guys, mainit talaga siya. 4-3 ulit guys, wide open Siakam with 4-3, bang! Bang bang! Di siya Tatum guys, sumalaksak kontra kay Haliburton, pinantagla yung defense guys, for easy 2 points yan. Turner guys, 4-3. Patay guys! GT guys, may hawak ng bola guys, sizing up. Sumalaksak tayo, turn around, so fade away guys, jumper, patay guys. Tatum again guys. Post away, fade away ulit guys, patay ulit. Siakam guys, lagi talaga may sagot guys. Ayun guys, so Horford nang may bantay sa sabay. Jumper sa baseline guys, grabe. Jalen Brown guys, grabe to the basket guys. Po isang layup guys, grabe guys. Makita nyo guys yung score guys, natatambakan na guys. Tamang nalaman yung Boston Celtics guys kontra Pacers. Grabe. Kung makikita niya dito guys, tambak talaga malala guys. Yung first 5 ng Pacer guys, nilabas na sa bench guys, samantalang yung first 5 ng Celtic patuloy pa rin naglalaro guys. Patuloy pa rin nagpapapawis. Dalamdagan yung tambak guys, grabe. Yun guys, plagpahinga ng paraas ng first 5 ng mga team guys. Nakita niya dito guys, talagang tambak yung Pacer guys. Umayaw na guys. Panalo ang Celtic guys sa game 2 guys. Siakam guys, 28 points guys sa 31 minutes na paglalaro guys.